Yeah, now, gentlemen, we are in a client house. This problem. They have up to about 12 panels in their roof. It's not working, and this 24 volts. Later the panel with later the roof with panel. Yes, it's still not working. So we are called to find to provide solution. This is the problem. This is the root of the problem. You can see. Come back. You can see the inverter is working now. We have traced the problem. This is the output. This is the output. The inverter is working. Why this? If you can check the source, just follow me. Check this cable. You can see is the source. This is the charging source of the battery. You can see. So look at what I did. This is the the charging source, and this is the other source. The other source, except for it to come here, they put it directly to the output load. If you check, this is the output load. They put it directly to the output load. The customer is complaining since the installation is not working, and you have been calling the person, it's not responding. You can see if you turn on the charging breaker, it will strip off the inverter. Reason because the input and the output loads, they are together. This is a very wrong installation. There is no protection system on this installation. So right now we have disconnect the this cable away from the output source. There's no output source. I'm going to correct it. The inverter is working. The inverter is the one that is powering the TV and the fan. So we are still going back to this. I'm going to off it. I'm going to off the inverter. I'm going to off it. Now it's off. I'm going to off. Then I'm going to turn it on. Watch me while I'm turning it on. You can see there is no light, so I'm going to turn it on. You are going to see the lightning, the brightness of the lights coming back. So where's our okay? I'm going to turn on light on. You can see I'm going to turn them on. So the inverter is working. So we are going to trace the fault. What this pen is supposed to do is supposed to take the input. It's supposed to take this input voltage. These two outlets is supposed to go to the input voltage. Okay, this is the input voltage, not taking it to the output voltage. So doing this, it means that you are short circuiting your installation. So we are creating this video to sensitize the public. You should know who is doing your installation. Use the right people to do your installation, because you have spent money for your installation, buying inverter, buying charge controller, buying panels. That's a good amount. So you have to use the right people to do your installation. Ask them what, just let them know this is what I want. Use the right professional for the right job. So thank you for watching this video, and also share this video to sensitize the public about solar installation. Thank you.